All right, everyone, we're back to continue work on the 3D puzzle game. Now, at this stage, you may have noticed that when you're trying to place your pieces properly, and I'm just going to get them in the right spots ahead of time before I actually place them so that it's really clear what's happening. All right, and I just want to mention before I do that I'm using the boundaries of the frame to figure out where these pieces should actually be placed before I press the space bar to place them. Now, I can place two of my pieces without an issue, but the last one, it's not going down all the way. There's still some sort of colliding issue, even though the colliders should actually fit together, and we can see that they do because of how it's placed. There's still something that's a little funny going on. Now, there are actually multiple engines that we can use for 3D physics. So when I come into the project settings, I'm just going to search for physics 3D, and I'm going to change the engine to Jolt Physics 3D, save and restart. And now once the game loads again, and I preview, I should be getting a different physics behavior than before. A lot of things won't be noticeably different, but when I try to get all of my puzzle pieces placed, this time you can see it actually places the way that it should be. It handles physics just slightly differently, and so in some cases it really improves. In some cases you'll still be better off with the default behavior. One thing I wanted to mention as well, in addition to changing the physics engine, I've also made sure that the collision margin is set to 0 on all of the different collision shapes. Right, so at this point, you should have a working puzzle game in terms of the actual gameplay, and that is it for this video.